These kitchen towels belong to my partner, and they came from his mum, who has passed away some time ago. So when they became worn out and full of holes, I didn't want to just turn them into rags. And I tried to think about ways that I could extend their lifespan so that he could enjoy them for a little bit longer. In a warm and loving way. So the ones that were very, very broken up, I cut up and used for patches. And what I did was I put this one in some dye, some fabric dye, to just cover the dirty stains and everything, because it was already an off color. So I just made it more of an off color by adding some purple and green tones, and then it had this yellow in it already. And then on the other side is the green one. So you can see this is a different kitchen towel. And what I had to do was I had to trim them so that they fitted, because they were two different sizes. And some of the pieces that I trimmed off, I used for patches, as you can see here. So here you can see this is clearly a piece of this that I trimmed off here when I made the two fit. And then this was from a different kitchen towel. And as you can see, the way I've put the stitching around the outside of the hearts and then made it go all the way through the fabric has, of course, created heart shapes on the reverse side also. So that's what it looks like on the reverse side, and this is what it looks like on the purple side. So what do you think of my repair? Now, I did this about 4 years ago. So we've been using this in normal daily use in our kitchen for another 4 years, beyond the point where my partner was ready to turn them into rags to be used in the garage. And so far, so good. The only challenge we're looking at is over here, where it does seem to be coming apart. And my solution for this is going to be to find another little heart-shaped patch somewhere, make a larger one, repatch it, do it again, and continue to use this piece in a loving way in our home, so his mom's energy continues to live on with us in the home, way beyond the normal lifespan of a functional item like this. Have you ever upcycled an everyday item in your home that is easily replaceable and quite cheap to replace, and you've elected to keep it going instead with some loving care because it has meaning for you? I would love to hear your stories in the comments below this video.